Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to leave a review on AliExpress. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet, and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Now, in order to leave a review on AliExpress, you need to first purchase any products. If you have already bought any products from AliExpress, then only you can leave a review on that. So in order to find that, in this homepage, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on it. In this page, you can see the My Orders section. In this section, you can see the option to review. Tap on it. Here you will see the list of all your successful orders. So you can choose the product where you want to add a review on. Once you select the product, there you can see the Write a Review button. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the review page. Here you can give the ratings to the product. In the comment section, you can leave a review for this product. You can share your experience, and you can go through these other details as well. And once you are done, you can see the Submit Feedback button. Tap on it to submit your review. Now your review will be posted on the products page. So that's it. That's how you can leave a review on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.